My mother is 60 and looks 30. Apply it to wrinkles. It will make your face look 35 years younger. This simple ingredient is much stronger than Botox. The main ingredient is cloves. Did you know that cloves are worth gold for your skin? Cloves are a natural antiseptic painkiller. To start our recipe, we'll need a tablespoon of cloves. Put it in a saucepan and add a glass of water. Then put it on a medium heat. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Once the mixture has boiled well, we'll strain it to extract only the liquid and leave the cloves out. Our second ingredient will be a spoonful of coconut oil. This ingredient is very beneficial for the skin. It's very rich in vitamins. You'll add a spoonful and then stir very well. After stirring well, we'll transfer this mixture to another container. You should spray it on your skin every day before going to bed. Remember to massage well until your skin absorbs it completely. Leave it on all night and only remove it the next morning. To remove it, simply rinse with plenty of water. You'll notice that your skin feels much firmer and silkier. Use it daily, and wrinkles will disappear once and for all. And once you've used it, you can store it in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Tell me the name of your city so I can say hello and send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Mariana and Viridian from Colniza. Thank you for watching and sharing our videos. Take care.